Hey babe, welcome back to Absolutely Abstin. Today we are talking about what it takes to build a six-figure passive income business. And if you don't know, passive income is my favorite thing in the entire world. So stick around until the end of this video. I'm going to give you the blueprint to follow, okay? But first, my name is Asia Abstin, CEO of the Lux Life Academy, and I have helped over 3,000 digital entrepreneurs launch passive income streams. So when I say that this is my favorite thing to talk about, I mean it. So let's get directly into it. Step one, and you would think this is common sense, but it ain't, is to get a business model that works for passive income. What that basically means is income that comes into your business, money, sales, revenue that come into your business without you having to actively be there and be participating in order for money to be made. So, for example, if you're a hairstylist, you have to physically be standing behind the chair providing a service for a customer in order for your business to make money. There is no way for you to passively do hair. So your first step on this journey is to actually create a business that works for passive income. So it doesn't mean that being a hairstylist, for example, is not good money, but it does mean that because you are a human being, you have to eat, you have to sleep. There are going to be a large chunk of hours where your business cannot make money. If you're not physically, actively standing there providing XYZ service, there's no money to be made. So a lot of service-based businesses would fall into that category, but that's why your first step is going to be to build something that does not require you to actively be standing anywhere at any time. For me, obviously, I chose drop shipping as my passive income vehicle. It doesn't require me to be anywhere at any time on any day. When I'm eating, sleeping, chilling, on vacation, it allows me to make money. That is my passive income stream. It's the only one I teach. It's the one I always recommend because it performs the best. So what type of passive income business you want to launch? All right, step two. Once you've figured out what your passive income business is going to be, you now need a stream of traffic. You need some ways to bring human beings' eyeballs to your website, to your business, to your service, right? And the best way to do that for passive income is automated traffic streams, okay? What am I talking about? The goal in this step is to have something that is working for you all the time, 24 hours a day, 365, pouring traffic to your business. So again, in my own example, I use a mixture of organic content, social media content, paid ads, and all of those components are driving traffic to my store 24 hours a day. Again, when I'm asleep, when I'm kicking it with my dog, whatever I'm doing, those things are still driving traffic to my store. So in step one, you have a passive income generating business. And in step two, you have an automated way to drive traffic to that passive income business. So this is how we're cooking things up to be able to make six figures passively. Your third component for a six-figure passive income business is going to be pre-batched content. Super, super important. So this could be blogs, this could be YouTube videos, this could be Instagram reels, this could be emails that are already set up. But what's imperative here is that you take the time to create this content once and you pre-batch it. So that could be like writing an email sequence, and that sequence has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 emails in it, but you wrote it one time and it is set up to go out whenever you need it to go out. You don't have to stop on the fly and schedule an email to go out to your customers or your potential leads because you've already written the email. You've already scheduled the email. It's already in your email service provider and ready to go. Same thing with content for like Instagram or TikTok or Reels. You've already pre-batched it. You sat down, one day of the month and you pumped out a bunch of different content. so that when it is time to post, you're already ready to go. And Instagram just did a massive update where you can actually schedule content to go out directly from within the app. So now you've got a business that allows for passive income. You've got an automated system for traffic, and you've got pre-batched content to go along with that. So you're already set up for success. And this is what I do in my dropshipping business. Now, your fourth component is going to be automatic fulfillment. Why is this super, super important? Because in a lot of other business models, step 1, 2, and 3 are pretty easy to do, right? Step 4 is why dropshipping is so amazing. And that is because our fulfillment does not happen via us. I am not the person that is ever going to fulfill your order. I'm never going to package or ship your order. My supplier is always the person packaging and shipping orders out to customers. So no matter what business model you want to get into, if you want to make it passive, if you want to make it something that can work for you in your sleep or while you're on your 9 to 5, you have to figure out how to automatically fulfill your orders, right? Because great, you've got traffic coming in 24 hours a day. Potentially you've got sales coming in 24 hours a day. That's incredible. But the other side of it is fulfilling those orders. So another business model where this works out beautifully is digital products. So if you're selling courses, you're selling ebooks, anything like that, that is something that can be fulfilled and delivered automatically. You don't have to physically send an email out or physically call anybody or physically package and ship something and go to the post office. So you've got automated fulfillment, you've got automated traffic, you've got an automated store or an automated business, and these are the components that if you put all 4 together, you have what you need to build a 5, 6, or 7-figure passive income business. I really hope that that just inspired you. I want to know, which one of those components do you already have in your business and which one do you need to work on? Because if you don't have all 4, you're going to be working harder and not smarter. And you know, that's not my vibe. I always want smarter and not harder. Now, if you want to learn more about passive income, about dropshipping, about e-commerce, about how I run my entire business from my phone, you are officially invited to my free beginners dropshipping masterclass. You can get all the details and register down in the description box. I cannot wait to teach you this incredible business model. There is so much to learn and so many ways to win. I can't wait to have you in class. But that's going to be it for me this week, guys. But let me know in the comments what else you want to learn about passive income, about online entrepreneurship, about dropshipping. Give me the scoop. I am happy to make these videos for you guys. And thank you so much for liking and subscribing. I will see you next time. Peace.